Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to put up a sliding gate. First, carefully measure your gate opening to determine the precise dimensions needed for your new gate. Consider the material, such as steel or aluminum, based on durability and aesthetic preferences. Always ensure the ground is perfectly level and clear of obstructions where the track will be installed. Finally, check with your local authorities for any required building permits before you begin. This initial planning saves time and effort later on. Now, let's install the essential structural components. Dig post holes at least 2 feet deep and 10 inches wide for your main gate posts. Set these posts in concrete, using a level to ensure they are perfectly plumb and stable. Next, securely attach the ground track along the entire path the gate will travel. It is crucial that this track is perfectly level, with no more than 1/8 of an inch deviation, to guarantee smooth and effortless gate movement. With the track and posts in place, it is time to prepare and mount your gate. Attach the appropriate rollers or wheels to the bottom of your gate frame, typically 2 to 4 depending on gate length. Then, mount the guide rollers to the top of your gate posts, allowing about 1/2 inch clearance. Carefully lift and position the gate onto the ground track, ensuring the rollers engage correctly. Test the gate's movement to confirm it slides freely and smoothly without any binding. For the final touches, make any necessary adjustments to the gate's height and alignment, ensuring it closes perfectly. Install a robust gate latch or a secure locking mechanism for added safety and peace of mind. If desired, you can integrate an automatic gate opener for enhanced convenience, allowing remote operation. Finally, thoroughly test the gate's full range of motion multiple times to confirm safe, reliable, and smooth operation for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.